How to fix your Twitter account not working problem. So if you're facing some problem in Twitter to use your Twitter application, you can see here this is the Twitter, then this video is absolutely for you. So I will give you some tips and tricks to fix your problem. So guys, what you have to do, first of all, it's very simple and easy tricks that I'm gonna show you. Just go to your Google Play Store. Okay, so after going to your Google Play Store, what you have to do, simply search here, wait, simply search here Twitter. So after searching your Twitter, you have to update your Twitter first. So after updating your Twitter, you have to switch off your phone and then restart your application, and then I'm sure the problem will be solved. And guys, if the problem doesn't work, then don't worry, I have again another tricks. Go to your phone settings, and then what you have to do, scroll down and go to the option as apps or app management or managing app or install app. So let me just go to this application, app manage apps option, and then let's wait for a while for the application to load here. So this is the way. So let me just search for TWI Twitter here. So let me just click to Twitter, and then what you have to do, just click on this clear data option. So after clicking to clear data, you have to click on clear data, and then you have to press OK. So now after this, scroll down, and then you can see your app permission button. Just click to app permission button, and then you have to allow all the permission here. Now what you have to do, it's pretty simple. Just go back, and then again you can switch off your phone and restart your application. I am sure your problem will be solved. So guys, if the problem also doesn't work, then what you have to do, go back to your settings, and then you have to go to about phone option, and then you can see a system update. Click on system update, and then you have to check whether your system is asking for an update or not. So if your system is asking for an update, then you have to update your system and then restart your phone. I'm 110% sure your application will be worked. So now and also don't forget to see whether your uh, data connection is on or off. So if it is off, then please make sure to on the data connection, and then I'm sure these things will be helped you. And also if doesn't work, then what you have to do, just uninstall your Twitter application and reinstall it, and then you can just try it using I'm 110% sure this will be helpful for you. So guys, thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video.